Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as we have previously discussed the data types. So how many are there? Like 14 data types are there. So I have previously videos are discussed what is a uh, data types and uh, what are the data types and example with examples I have explained over. So now I'm going to in depth of in data types. So here it is. I have already discussed here string here. So in the string data type I have already discussed. So if you want to see in the if you want to see basic things you want to learn. So first we have to listen to this video. So afterwards you can understand easily things. It is a string part 1. Okay. So this is the basic level and this is the advance of this one, and this is part 1. Again we have discussing upcoming concepts like part 2 also there. So I will be uploading in upcoming concepts. So but now today I will discuss part 1. Okay. So what is that? In the string we have there are two types here, indexing and slicing. Yeah, all of you know maybe that indexing and slicing operation. So how, what is the indexing and what is the slicing? So what is the indexing particular means? If we, indexing is nothing but a particular, if you have one example. So I am taking an example, so just to observe it. Okay. So this is the example. Okay. So I have already created here. So why means if you draw these things, the time will be waste. Okay. So this is the example of S is equals to Python. So Python is, I have store in the S value. Okay. You can take, I taken here initialization S no. So you can take any variable here like a Z, B, except three things. Key values, only key, except keywords, you have to take anything here. So, okay. So this is the example of the S equal to Python. Now I will do here. Here we have forward forward index and next one is backward index. Okay. So there are here two types of that. So in, if you see this diagram, I have dividing in the here two things. The Python will be start here from the indexing here zero index. See, if you have here zero index is there now. See here this is a zero index. Okay, so for the zero index here there here P Python. Okay, so for the first index, okay, for the first index what it is will be having Y. Okay, so this is the main thing of this. Okay, I have clearly here with indexing and it is forward and backward also I have created. Okay, I will tell now examples here. Okay, so this is this is Python. Okay, I have taken here Python is a variable and I have store here s equal to, okay, s. Now I will say index means nothing but I want particular h. So what is here? It what I have? I want only h only. Only one letter only I want. So how you have to print it here? Here indexing means just you have to type here s of, okay, s of, you have to give square bracket here like this. After what? And h is which index? I have already written here 3. Okay. So just you 3. I just to close it. And you have to, before write, we have what to write here, you have to write it here print. Okay. Just you have to write it here print. See, what is your observation of the answer is now it will become absolutely H value. So why means I want only H. So I want particular this letter only. If you want to take it is, that is called here indexing. Okay, so I want only particular letter, only H only. I want only N letter only one letter only I want, not more than one or two letters. It will go to slicing. Why means I want one letter means only one letter. I want only one letter. See, I am telling, repeating here words just to observe the first concept. After you have, I will go to examples. Okay, so I am observing, I want only H letter. So H letter, not only one letter only I want, not one or more not than letters. Okay, I want only H letter, or otherwise I want only P letter. So that is called indexing here. Okay, slicing means here nothing but second point is, slicing is I want from P to T. Yes, I want from P to T. That is called slicing. From how you have to give here from, uh, says just you have to give here print of, just same thing print of, just I want P here. So you have to take here what it is from the zero index. So zero, okay, zero, here you have to write colon, and what here, 2. Okay, so just to 2 here it is. So why means here 2 minus 1 means n minus 1 means how much we will print. So 0 colon 1. So I want only two letters, only P by, it will be print here. Okay, so if you want total all letters, T Y T H O N, Python, I want full letters. So just to print here, just 0 and colon. Okay, and just it will be answer. Why means here 0 is nothing but starting, here 2 is nothing but stop, and another one is there. It is in the slicing methods. Okay, just to observe it here. Why means I am telling very clearly just to observe it. Okay, so why means here, this is the most important thing in our Python, in the especially strings and list will be in this, we are using especially. Okay, so this is most important thing, and don't skip it. Okay, so I am telling, so now I will tell with examples. So basically, did you understand? Okay, all of the students. So basically I'm telling here, index means nothing but I want only particular this letter, or this letter. So that is called the only one character, means only one letter. So that is called the indexing. Slicing means one or more letters, means like three letters or four letters or two letters. That is called indexing. If you want forward index, or if you want backward index also it will come. Or otherwise in slicing also, if you want like backward slicing, or I want from the last onwards, first onwards, it will become. That is also slicing. So in the slicing there are different types are there. So but I will go to first of all indexing concept. So I mean indexing is a most important. Indexing, it is a simple concept index, but in the slicing we have to be, it is like advance of the index. Okay, so I will tell now first index. Okay, so I will tell now with examples. This example I will take x is equal to dash. Meanwhile I will tell, just open your cmd command, and if you have Python, okay, I'm clearing this one. My means I want to do now examples. Now with examples I will tell. So just now I am taking the Python here. See, I have already CMD here. Why means I have installed the Python. Just you have to type here Python. It will come. Okay. Now just you observe here. Now I will write here is equal to in string only. That's why I'm telling you have to see the video part of the string video. Yeah, I am now Python. Okay. Just you close the course and just now enter. Now just you print off s comma and type of s. Okay, and it will be print. So did you observe? Did you observe, students? Okay, so what here happening? See, I have written here first initial. First I have taken in your variable which means Python. Okay, okay, students. Okay, I am Python, and here what it is, Python is here printing. Okay, in the what? Which format it is in the data type string format. Okay, str format. Okay, it is in the which format? String format. I have discussed in the previous video classes string also. So okay, if you don't listen, just you listen it. I mean that is the basic thing of the string. Yeah, and this is the inside of the string part here. Okay, so now I will tell one example. Just you observe it here. Okay, I'm clearing this one. Okay, did you understand? Okay, okay. Let's go, students. Okay, now I will see. I will write now. See now what I tell here. I want only H letter. See, did you observe? Did you observe where I written here? See, okay. See, just a minute. Okay, I will do small things. Okay, now okay. See, but in the Python, I am telling once again, in the Python, indexing will be start from the zero index. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Okay, so how many letters are there? Just you have to give it here. It is in the forward and it is in the backward. From the it will be start from the -1 here. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, so how in the which variable I store? The S variable I store. Otherwise you can take any variable like Z, X, Z, MP, and Z, O, P, Q, R, S, T, anything. You can take anything variable. Okay, so now I have given here these things. Okay, so now I want only H letter here. See how it will print here. Just you have to print off S. I have stored in the S now. S, and I want third one. Okay, and just print it. See how the power of the magic is. See here I have printed here S of 3 means S square bracket of 3. It is in the what? In the third place. It is in the forward. Okay, see answer is here. It is in the small thing. Did you observe? Okay, that is the H here. Okay, did you observe it? Okay, so this is H. Okay, now we will see another example. Okay, just I'll tell 3 4 examples. It is not much important. Okay, don't worry. Okay, it is, if you learn it is very easy. Okay, now I will see, just print off. I want same letter. I want in the negative. See how it will become here. See, means I want in the backward direction. Same letter I will print here. Okay, so S of -3. Okay, see how the beautiful of the magic here, Python. See what happened here. So same. See what did you observe here? See, it is in the forward. Okay, and it is in the backward. Okay, this is forward and this is backward. Okay, but the same output here came. Did you observe here? Same output here came. Okay, so this is the magic of the Python. Okay, if you learn the Python, it will be easily. Okay, so this is the magic of the Python. Okay, and I will see one more example. Okay, so this is the basically the Python indexing. Means I want only particular this letter only. We can print it here. See, I will print now some more letters here. Okay, so print off. So here what it will be happening? S of, I want some like I will take any letter like 4. Okay, see, and so in the which place of it is indexing here? See, did you observe here? I'm doing here only. See here, which is it is in the 4th place. So that's why the here O is printed. Okay, so I have given here also 4th position. Okay, so here see, I am telling this is the input. See here, these total things, this is the like you think input. Okay, so these things you observe here, this is the output. Okay, very easy. If you learn it is very easily. Okay, indexing, slicing, and most important. Okay, if you learn, it is very easy. Okay, so I will tell another one more example. Okay, so just print off. So s of like 2. Okay, see t. Again, one more example I will see. Okay, so print off here s of, I will give now 6. See what it will become. See. Oh, okay, okay. I did not given the here s. Okay, don't worry. So now 6. See here what happened. If I give this 6 here out of the range, y means here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 6 is not there. Means what it will be happening? It is out of the range. Means string index out of range. Okay. See here how many are there here? See 5. Okay. So what I am given here 6. So what it is telling here? See what is the here output of this here? What is the error? It is output of the error. See string index out of range. Okay, means index error. Why means here the 6th is here not there. Only 5 only there here. So that's why the outcome is here. Okay. I have written for this notes also. Don't worry. See now I will show now. Okay, don't worry. This is the particular the concept of the indexing. Okay, I will show now. See in this notebook only I have here just a minute. What I tell examples only here you have. Okay. So what is here indexing? Okay. So what is here indexing? Python part 1. What I told here indexing and slicing. Okay. So just now we are completed indexing and we have to go to next step of the slicing. See what it's here. See this single character and from given string it is passing. What I told. I want only single character or single letter or anything. So we have to pass it there here the index value. So that is it will become the answer. Okay. So yeah, already given Nora. Why? See, already I have see this much. Why means if you give in the index of that indexing, it will be give the answer. Okay. Okay, students. See, already I have told here. See, see, already I have to see here we have I see indexing can be either be negative or indexing. Okay, so already I have shown the diagram of the indexing. I backward and forward. Okay, so I have here error also we get now. See, just we got no error also. If we valid index, we are seeing no. So that's why I have tell positive indexing. Okay, and I have tell negative indexing. Okay, so this is a example of the indexing. Okay, so with live examples I have told here. Okay, so now we will go to now second string here. Okay, so I will tell first concept. So other way after we go to examples. Okay, so in the slicing basically we have here 5 types are there. Okay, so basically what is slicing here? I want from this letter to this letter. So that is a slicing. So I want like 2 or 3 more letters or 2 or 3 characters. Letters or characters are the same. Okay, like characters. So I want from the this index to this index range. So that is a slicing. Okay, I want only particular single character or single letter, and that is the indexing. Okay, so what is here slicing means here? What it is here? See the obtain range of character or substring from given string object is called slicing. Okay, and the slicing will be performing in the py syntax. Okay, this side. That's why I did not tell in the first 2 to 3 minutes. Why means it will be take so much time. Okay, it will be having a like advancing like from the starting to advancing slicing also there will be. Okay, if you learn these things, you'll be very clear and you can be perfect and you can do anything also. Okay, so these are basically the slicing and five syntax are there. The first syntax is here. Just even. Okay, so here what is the first syntax here? This you observe it here. First syntax what here? Object, string object, next begin index and end index. I already tell in the before in the last 3 minutes I have told this begin and end. And next one what I tell begin, end and step. In next upcoming concept it will come. I will show it is. Okay, so what it is here? See the syntax update range of character from begin index to end index -1. Okay, this is most important. Okay, so this is most important. Don't forget here. Okay, this is most important. Okay, okay. So provide begin to provided begin to index less than an end index or otherwise never get the output. It will be get here empty. Okay, this is empty. Okay, why means if you give, it will give like empty, it will get. Okay, empty means nothing but just it will get like this. Okay, in this inside the course, no answer it will become. Okay, so this is most important. Okay, 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 guys. Now we will see the examples, or others I will tell you your example. I will show some examples here. So that example only we will work. Okay, don't worry. So did you understand? In the first syntax is here. You observe it here. What it is here? See, I am highlighting here. So string object begin index and colon and ending index. Okay. So same example I will take here. Okay. Python. So I will take the same example. Okay. See, same example. I will go to first diagram. Okay. So first I will tell this one. Okay. So first what we have to print here? Just again I am taking here s equal to okay, and next now just print off s comma next type of s, and it is in the string format and it is in the Python. Okay, what I given here Python. Now I will give here print off s of, now I want from 0 to 4. Okay, so just you colon 0 colon means starting index and after end index like 4 means 4 minus 1 means up to 3 it will be print here indexing. Okay, so what is here printing? See what is here printing here? See 0 means this one 0 and 4. Okay, what is the first syntax? What I have tell definition n minus 1 means 4 minus 1. So what is here 4 minus 1? What is here output here? Okay, what is here this one? 3 no. Just 4 minus 1 how much? 3 no. So where is this 3? How where here we have to see here this one. So up to here it will be print here. These things will be print here. This these things will be print here. So P by TH will be print here. Okay, simple, easy, ra. Just if you learn the syntax number one, I have told here. What is the syntax here? Basically, starting index and ending index. And what is the definition here? So here, why means same like in the list only, or others you can take in the range also, like n-1 range. If you in the previous discuss, I have videos range like 0 comma 10 means 10 minus 1. How much it will bring? 9. If you give 11, 11 minus 1, 10. Simultaneously here also like this only. I have given here 0 colon 4. So how much here? 4 minus 1. What here? 3. And what is here? Third index here? H. So up to 0 to 3 it will print means P by TH. Okay. So from the starting on was 0 index to, and from the end 3 it will print here. Okay. It's very easy if you learn it is. Okay. I have told now just very clearly with the diagram. Okay. With visualization. Okay. So now I will say another example here. Print of, just I will give only first index only one index, starting index. I will not give ending index. See what it will become here. See, just 0 colon and just enter. See, it will be totally, total means totally full Python will be print here. Okay, so next another example I will show here. Now I will not give first example to both I given here. Second example, all starting index ending here. Now third example, I will not give an starting index. I will give ending index. Just colon. I will give 5 here. Okay. So what is your expecting output? Just you tell me in comment it. Okay. See. P by THO. That means 5 minus 1. 4 means P by THO. Previously I discussed no how it will be happening in the internal. Okay. So thus so we have to do with the step by step with the pen. It will be understand. Okay. So before going to the programming code, we have to do with the pen and paper. Otherwise, how it will be understand it. Okay. So it is very easy. Okay. Okay, guys. Now another example I will tell now. So print of, okay, colon and 4 colon 0. What you are expecting output? Just to comment here. Just a few minutes I want to answer. Okay, just to comment here. So just in the comment here. Otherwise you can tell me. And if you want to, you can chat it. Okay, no problem. Okay. So it will become pakka it is in the empty. I mean, see, if you see, I'm telling from this diagram only. I am not an intelligent also. I am also learn from you only, and I have becoming like I'm training the students also. Okay, so this to see now if you print within the 1 minute, I will tell answer. Okay, so by seeing this diagram only, I'm not without seeing also this diagram only. So in front of laptop I have screen, and in front of here one diagram is there, and but from diagram only I will tell from the answer only. See, that's just I am preparing the year questions only, but not I am not observing also answer also. I'm just not enter the answer also. If you enter now, it will become answer X. Maybe it will be output exactly string, empty string. See. Okay, I am S is not given. Don't worry, guys. See, now I will give 4 colon. See, there is no answer. See, did you observe? Here empty. See, there is no answer here. See, this is empty here. Okay. I have already discussed in the see. I have already discussed in the definition of the syntax number 1 also. Okay. So this is syntax number 1, and this is the begin and index, begin and end. Okay. This is completed. Okay. So this is the last example of the this. Now I will go to the next second syntax. Okay. Now we will see. Okay. See, I just not tell now. No, I have given the 2 minutes of this example. And with example only I have tell you. So with that diagram, by visualizing diagram only I will telling. Okay. I'm not a robot. Okay. So just to learn from like this. Just we have habituated with the pen and paper, and we have taken any diagram, and by this diagram we have to prepare like this diagram, and you have to do so many examples, and after that example and you have to prepare in the laptop by hands of experience. It will become answer easily, even means easily. Okay, so this is the Python. How will be you do the in the real time? Okay, so this is a very easy and this is a magic of the Python. Okay, so it is here empty. There is did not answer also any nothing came here answer. That is empty here, empty. Okay, now I will see syntax number two. Okay, so what is here? Syntax number two here. So many examples are there here. I given. Okay, don't worry. So what is here? Syntax number two here. Just to observe it here. See, syntax number two is here. Already I have syntax number one. Both are there. Both are there here in the syntax number one. In the syntax number two, only begin index. There is not given in the starting here. Ending index here not given. Okay. So these are the examples. Okay. Now I will see these examples or others I will give different examples. Okay. So now we'll go to now this. Open your CMD and just you have to go to it. Okay. So now we will see now examples. Okay. I will go this diagram only. See, just I will take this Python diagram only and I will show you. Okay. Open your this diagram and do now. Just print it and next what is a print just to print it and what is it is type also. And now we will see now. Okay. See, in the first syntax, both we have to give starting and end index. Now in the second syntax, only starting index. There is did not give in here ending index. So we have to did not give the any ending index also. So what is here output? This it is only 0 and n only. So two letters. From the fourth onwards, I am printing. So fourth and fifth is not given. Means any not given, no. So that's why there is no here n minus one. So what is printing here? 5. Okay. So 0 and n. And another examples I will see. Just wait a minute. Okay. I will do 3 4 examples. Okay. So from the 3 colon. So what is your what is this output? Just to comment it or just to chat it. Okay. See HON. So this is a see if you learn this concept, how it will be fast here. See. So this is a how way to learn the Python. Okay. Just print off. So if you give the S of okay, did you understand? S means square bracket and I am giving one index. Okay. See YTHON. So only except to pay and YTHON. Now I will see in the reverse also. Okay, don't worry. Hmm? Okay. Here S is not given, no? Yes. See here what it is. T. Okay. See here what it is. Before I gave only in that is in this indexing. Okay, previous exam. Now this one see. Minus for colon. See THON. This means THON. Okay, means I did not given here ending index. Okay, so this is an example of the negative. Means the backward direction or left to right. These three things are previous example. Three things are forward indexing. Okay, I am see when I am doing the examples, I am doing both way. Here forward indexing and backward indexing. Just to observe it. My means because when I go into examples with I am not observing these things. Why means I will go to dirty examples. Okay, so just you have to observe what I am doing and what here which concept I am teaching here. It also just to observe it here and what is the output of the getting here. So main thing that is from this example only and not given another example also. Why means you will not do I know 100% guarantee. Okay, so first you have to this example and after you can try home. After home you can try any example. Yeah, otherwise I will give. Okay, no problem. So next Python S of now I will give like minus 2. Okay, so what it will be happening? See. What here? Essay I'm not printing here. Okay, syntax error. Okay. did you mean print? Okay. Prints. Spelling mistake. Okay. See. ON. Okay. So if you observe here, this thing, okay. First, I am highlighting here CMD command. Print of S square bracket 4 colon. This output is same. And also this output also same. See, this is the magic of the pattern of the slicing raw. If you learn, it is very easy, dead and easy. Okay, so this is syntax number 2. Okay, I have closed these topics. Okay, now I will go to syntax number 3. Okay, see, now I will go to syntax number 3. What is syntax number 3 here? Before we discuss the only starting index, and there is no negative, there is no ending index. Okay, now we will see the syntax number 3. It is what here? String object. So what is here? There is no here starting. Only ending index are there. Okay, did you observe? Only ending index here. Okay, just only ending is here. And don't give any starting index. Only you have to give here ending index. Okay, so we will go to examples. Okay, so same Python, we can take it. Okay, again same diagram I will see and I will show. Okay, if you learn these things very easy. Okay, okay. I will print once again Python. Okay, Python and print of Python. Okay, and next what here? I'll give here what it is. Only I'll give ending index here. Say what is py. Okay, again I will tell some more examples. I will tell here 7. Just 4 here. What will be happening? See, py th. Okay, now I will show some negative here. Py. See, first colon 2 and next colon -4. Same Python answer. Okay, now I will give here 2 negative. See, colon 4 and colon -2. Both are same. This is the magic of the Python. If you learn these things, it will be easily. Okay. So another example I will tell. See, this many examples I will tell you. Just you learn these things. Okay. It is very easy. Okay. See, PYTH. If you what happening if 6 it will be, what is the answer? Just to tell me. No, I will not tell. Just tell me answer it is. Wait and see. Python. Total will be print. Why means here 5 now? 6 means 6 minus 1. N minus 1. What it is? 5. So totally, but the Python full what will be print here? Means all letters, all characters it will be print here. Okay. So did you understand? If you I will give 7, what will be the answer? Just tell me answer. Tell me. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, stop it. See answer. Python. See, that is the magic of the Python. That is the beautiful of the magic here. That is the magic of the Python. Okay. There is no 7, only up to 5 here. That's the total print here 5 only. If you write here, see, I will give here 100 also. What is the answer? Python only. I mean, there is no index of the year. There is no, the last end of the index, there is no year 100. Only up to 5 only. So it will print up to 5 characters. I mean, you are giving that up to limit they are giving. Okay. So that is the forward indexing. Okay. If I give your minus, what is the answer? Tell me answer. Empty. That means there is no up to -6. See, there is no here. Okay. See, I am giving here up to only 6 here. Okay. There is no here these things. Okay. These things are not there here. Like -7. Okay. Okay. -8. There is no. See here what it is, empty. Okay, did you see here, here did you see, observe the output, here it is empty. Okay, so I am telling backward and okay, it is empty here. Okay, so this is the magic of the Python. If you learn Python, it can be very easy. Okay, so I will tell one more example, don't worry. Okay, so this so many examples I am telling now. I am giving only one here. What will become? See, only one character only. You are given already one character here. What is here? That is called P. Okay, that's why you have to learn Python. Otherwise, you will not understand. Okay, I will not give you anything here. What will be happening? This is syntax number 3 basically, but here I will not give anything. That is upcoming content, but now I will tell. Okay, so I am not giving anything. Means what will become answer? It will be totally answer Python. Okay, see, did you observe Python? Okay, total. So this is the syntax number 3. Okay, did you understand? Only ending index we have to give it. Okay, just I'm rubbing it. Okay, now we will see the fourth. Okay, so already I have tell here ending index. Okay, and I have showed here 4, 3, 6 randomly and empty also. Okay, empty string are there or not? Means empty means nothing. See, if you see again this example only, I will show -6. What will become? See, empty means there is no here. Empty output raw. Okay, did you understand? Yeah. Okay. Now I will tell here syntax number 4. Previously one example I have discussed now. Here, this is syntax number 4. Here what it is? Just to observe. I am highlighting these things. See, I am circling string object. There is no here. There is no starting and there is no ending here. Okay, so this is the magic of the Python here. Okay, see, you study one. If see, I'm telling here definition. If you don't not specify begin index and then the PVM always take first character index as begin index, and if you don't specify ending index and PVM always take the last, means as end or length of the object as ending index. Okay, means it is telling in, I will tell in the simple way. If you did not mention any starting index and ending index, so the output will become total characters. Means total word, a total characters. It will be printing the output, a total length of the object. Okay, did you understand? Hey guys, are you sleeping? Okay, did you understand? Okay. So this is the syntax number 4. What is syntax number 4 here? This here string object, there is no nothing in the middle colon and in starting and end. Okay. Now we will see the examples. Okay. That means there is only only one example it will be happening. Only one example. Already I have tell in the previous example, totally printing. That is syntax number 4. In the upcoming concept, I will tell, and before only I have tell it. Okay, and these things are normally. I am telling for this is the ending index. See, this is the okay. So this is the ending. This also end, and this also I have tell in the starting index, and this is ending index. Okay, and this is the first one, first starting and end index in the syntax number 1. Did you observe? Okay, this is syntax number 1. Okay, can I do it or not? Okay, I will do. I will see one example, 2, 3 examples, and I will finish the syntax number 4. Okay. See, I will tell this example. This we have to be practice this one only first of all. Otherwise, we will not do. I know we will escape. I will print again Python. Same thing. Okay. Python. Next, after what we have to do? What is syntax number 4? There is nothing here. Okay. There is no. Means Python. Okay. And we will see some previously discussed now. Some examples we will see. Okay. We cannot. It is empty string. Okay. P. Okay. 6. Okay. So not give or do not give also. It will become. It is empty string. Okay. Okay. So this is the number syntax number 4. Okay. Also, this is the examples of it. Now I will see the syntax number 5. This is the last concept of in the slicing. Okay. If you observe this thing, here syntax number 5 is most important here. Okay. What is the syntax number 5 here? See, this first you observe syntax here. What here? Begin, end, and step. Okay. And I have discussed in the previous class in the NumPy class. Okay. If you observe, I have tell you slicing and indexing and advanced indexing and advanced slicing also. I have already tell in the NumPy class also. Did you observe? If you listen the class, you can observe. Otherwise, you cannot observe also. You will sleepy. I will not learn. You nothing will be done. You will not get the job also. Okay. So first of all, we have to learn from the previous class and from the previous video. I have discussed in the NumPy class. So from the NumPy class, how it is be happening there. Same here in the Python also, it will be happening here. But there is in the like an NumPy arrays, like a 1D array, 2D array, 3D array. But it is in the not the array in all list, all single only. Okay. But syntax is the most important here. Begin, end, and step. Okay. So this is a syntax. See, now I will see the definition of the main here. We have rules here. 5 rules we have here. See, I will tell one by one rule in the syntax number, especially 5th only. Okay. So here begin index and ending index. Step can either positive or negative. Okay. So did you understand? Maybe if I give anything means positive in the previous example I have tell minus plus 6 means 6 colon minus 6. What will be happen? Empty string will become. Okay. So just now given. Okay. This is the first statement, first rule. Okay. Now what is the second rule? If the value step positive and the PM takes range of character begin index. Okay. And it ending index means n minus 1 means n minus 1. Okay. And in the forward direction provided. And if the begin index less than n index, otherwise you will get empty string. Okay. I have already discussed these things. Okay. Now, second thing, if the step is negative or PM takes range of index, begin index to ending index plus 1 here. This observe here. Please observe the third point. Okay. See, plus 1 in backward direction provide here what begin index greater than end index. Okay. So this is the third point and this is second point. Now fourth rule is we are retrieving the data forward direction. Okay. If the end index value is 0 and that we never get any result or output. Okay, this is the fourth. Now fifth rule, what? When you retain data, it is in the backward direction. Previously fourth rule. Now it is in the here backward direction. Previously I have forward direction. Here backward direction ending in this -1, and we never get any result or any output. That is fifth rule. Especially in the syntax number 5, in the slicing concept, this 5 rules will be having. Okay, so this 5 rules should be there for the rules. Okay, how in the Python 5 rules I have no same like in the slicing also. In the syntax number 5, especially in the slicing and syntax number 5, and this will be having 5 rules. Okay, if it will be followed, and we have to go to the example. Okay, so did you understand? It's very easy, ra. Why means already we done 4 concepts, means 4 syntaxes. That 4 syntax, included that only here it will be happening. That is syntax number 5 only. Okay, that all things we have been already we saw. That things only, that is the syntax number 5 here. But here especially what is here, step it will be having. I have already discussed previously, just now discussed the syntax also, how it will be having. Okay, see, now I will see the examples. Okay, did you observe? This is the most important thing here. See, I will tell the, you have a lot of examples, but I will tell only less examples. Okay, why means it will be take so much time. Okay, see, I will go to this diagram. This is the most important. Otherwise, we will. I know we will die. I will take once more again. I will type here Python. Okay, why I am typing? I means you have to be understand, ra. That's why I am always typing the Python here. Okay, now what is here? Print of s of, okay, I will give one index and a colon, that is a starting index, and ending index I will give 4, and I will give step also here 1. Okay, what is the output? It will come yth serial. Okay, y means what here? One index. So 1 means here, and what is here? 4. 4 means here, means what is happening? 4 minus 1. What your answer? Tell me. 3. And what is here? 3. 3 no? What is here? 3? H. Again 1. 1 means here nothing but total it will print. Means we are moving step by step. Okay. So YTH. It will be print here these things. YTH. Okay. Did you understand? Okay, guys. I'm very happy today. Why means did you understand? Means yes or tell. But when I'm asking the question, you will not tell. I know. That is the beauty of the classroom, bra. Okay. Now I will tell here one more example. Okay. So if you listen these things, it will be very easy. Okay. See, I will tell here. We'll take 0 and 6. Step 2. What difference we see? Observe. PTO. See, did you observe? What I am seeing with the step by step I am explaining it. 0 means this index. Okay. 6 means this index. Means 6 minus this 1. What it will answer here? 5. Means 5. Okay. And 2. 2 means here step by step it is taking P and T and O. Okay. Like step by step. I've done one example. If you take in a simple example, in your homes or college or hostels, any in your colleague rooms or colleague or any relative homes or houses in your home also. We having a steps now. Some members are moving step by step, and some members are each and every step there will be walk, and some members are like step by step there will walk it. Okay, the steps. If you know that concept, that similar steps if you take it here or same here applied here. Okay, did you observe? Yeah, step by step. Two means step by step. Okay, P, it will be escape, and next T, and it will be skip, and it will be O. Again, there's nothing. That means your last it is 5 only. There is no sixth one is to print here. Up to 5 is last year. Okay, so this is the example. Okay, right, very easy if you learn. Okay, now I will tell here -6. What it will be happening, you see. Observe it. Colon -6. Tell me answer. Empty That means there is no year. Your ending is what? 6. Okay. So yeah, that means your empty string here. I tell a three-way three examples and three forward and backward also. Okay. Did you observe your examples also? Your empty string Okay. Again, I will tell another example here. 3. C. Now your limit will be exit here. Okay. So what it will be happening here? 0 means here. Okay. This thing. -3 means here. This thing. Okay. And next one it is here what? 2. See, step is what is here 2. And these things it will be happen. So P and T. Okay. So these things will be here printing here. Okay. So this is a syntax number 5. Okay. Now I will show the notes. Okay. Just a minute. These are so many examples. I will take few examples. Okay. This I have prepared these notes. Okay. Okay. Just to try some more examples. Okay. So this is the string part 1 indexing and slicing. Okay. So thank you, and thank you. And just to share to your friends, like share and subscribe and like it. Okay. And it will be helpful to your friends also and your colleagues and your any like your brothers or sisters also. Okay. This is so much helpful to you. Okay. So this is the concept of what is today concept indexing and slashing, and this is a very interesting concept. Okay, and it is very easy. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.